Day 5, week 13, accessibility check with ethics in mind. So in this particular case, use the standard tools. We've had a few moments of accessibility in this design-orama already, but go and find some tools that will help you think about accessibility. Choose a feature, whether it's notifications, filtering, maps, chat, profile settings, and consider the impact of accessibility on the people that need it. And think about how that may enable or limit access of that resource to that person, and how it potentially creates an unethical situation. Or think about a feature where it does approach this and how it does support it. You can certainly point out the pros and cons of it from an ethical perspective. Think across 2 user groups, whether it's low vision, neurodivergent, people with limited motor function, and propose 2 improvements to make the feature more inclusive. I think it's interesting to tie ethics to inclusion, ensuring digital projects support access and equity. And again, I think I mentioned this in the week-long video, but government and public service is one of those areas where they pay a lot of attention to this, but there's always room for improvements. And that may be an opportunity for you to find something. Simply that everyone in a country, or say a majority of the people in a country, most likely pay into the government services that support them, but they may not all be equally abled. And so what does it look like for every person to have equal access to the same resources that everyone's paying into? And where can that be improved given that someone is low vision or has motor function issues? Something to think through, and definitely will be a thought exercise, push you a little bit if you've never done it before. But if you have, I would just encourage you to expand and extend as much as you can and is meaningful. If you made it this far, congrats on making it through day 5 of week 13. This was certainly a tough one if it's not something you focus on daily, and congratulations on making it through. And I'm excited to see everyone in week 15.